this class. We started a topic called calculus, and under calculus we started with differentiation. In our first episode, I taught us how to differentiate by using the first principle. In our second episode, I taught you how to differentiate by using what we call the product rule. Today, we want to apply what we call the sum rule. You know, sum means addition, so the sum rule. And if y equals to u plus v plus w, where u is a function of x, and v is also a function of x, and w is also a function of x, what is our dy dx? Our dy dx is usually the u dx plus the v dx plus the w dx. So differentiate it from, let's start with this. What if you are given y equals to 2x squared plus 3x? Okay, this is under what we call product rule. You can see addition sign. It's under what? This is under what we call sum rule. You can see the addition sign. Okay, with the addition sign is telling you that is what? The what? Sum rule. So let us start this. So how can we solve this? Our dy dx equals to, when you have 2x squared, how can we differentiate this? Okay, let me break it down. You can see these two here. These two here, you use it to multiply this one. So it's going to be 2 times 2 will give you 4, become 4. Then 2 minus 1 here is make it what? 1. That is 4x. Then plus 3. How can you differentiate 3x? Look at 3x. 1 is here naturally. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Isn't it? Then anything raised by 0 is what? 1. So this one is done 3 times 1, which is what? 3. Then for the first one, 2x squared. For those that have forgotten the rules, okay? You use 2 to multiply this one, so it becomes 2 times 2, okay? Into, you subtract 2 from this one. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 4x. 4x is power is written as 4x. So that is why this one is 4x plus 3. Very simple. This is under what we call the sum rule. Let's solve another one. If our y equals to 9x raised to the power 6 minus 7x squared minus 7x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2. How can we solve this? Very simple. We apply the same principle. Our dy dx equals to, you use 6 to multiply 9. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, then 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Here, 3 times 7 is 21. And you subtract 1 from this 3, that will give you 2. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, and 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So x raised to the power 1 and x are the same. That's all. That's to tell you that differentiating using sum rule, very simple. Let us look at number 3. If your y equals to 80x raised to the power 7, okay, maybe you have 6x raised to the power 6, okay, minus 5x raised to the power 3, then maybe plus 2x raised to the power 1. How do we solve this? Instead of 1, let's make this one 2 instead of 1. Okay, so this one, our dy dx now becomes 7 times 80 will give us 560 into x raised to the power 7. Remember, this will be 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 will give you what? 6. Any problem with that? Then you write the addition sign. 6 times 6 is 36. Let me write this addition sign properly. This is 36 into 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Okay. 3 times 5 is 15 into x raised to the power 2. But 3 minus 1 is 2. Then finally plus 2 times 2 is 4x. Because 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So this is a differentiation by applying what? The sum rule. And I believe everybody can see that when you are applying sum rule, that is very simple. Let's look at number 4. If you have y equals to 3x raised to the power minus 6, then plus 4x raised to the power 5 plus 9x. How can you solve this by applying this sum rule? So our dy dx becomes, this your minus 6, you use it to multiply this 3. It becomes minus 18. Okay? X. Minus 6 minus 1 will give you minus 7. I'll be not the rules. Then 5 times 4 is 20. X raised to the power 4 because 5 minus 1 is 4. Then plus 1 is here naturally. 1 times 9 is 9. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. 70 raised to the power 0 is 1. This is going to be our dividing x. You can see that it's very simple. Let's solve the last one for today. If you have y equals to, let's say 50 x raised to the power minus 10, then minus 90x raised to the power 3. How can we solve this? Okay, still the same principles. Here, our dividing x, because minus 10 times 50 will give you minus 500. And this is x raised to the power minus 11 because minus 10. 3 times 90 is 270 into x raised to the power 2. That's all. Very simple. Everybody can see that differentiating by applying some rule is very simple. I want to advise you, please subscribe. It's important so that you can get more videos from me. Thank you. God bless you.